Thanks, Denise. After a 2-year absence, the Max Brown Sports Festival is back and bigger with the addition of squash and pickleball to go with the clay court tennis tournament. This will be held at the home of tennis in Negril, the swept-away resort, from April 3 through to 6.
For almost 2 decades, the Max Brown Sports Festival was all about clay court tennis, but he's broadening his horizon this time around as there will be more to play for this year. Pickleball has been making waves locally, and it is for this reason why Brown is capitalizing on a sport that is fast growing in Jamaica.
I've been following closely with the Pickleball Jamaica, and I reached out to James Sampson. James, thank you again. And they put on an amazing event at Pickleball and Chill in Kingston. So local players, they'll come out. I'm not really following who's number one right now, but I am just reaching out to try to build this sport, try to grow it across the country, and make everybody come and have a great time.
Squash tournament has always been a part of the Negril community, but never before at this event.
I really have a real soft spot in my heart for squash. In squash, I reached out to one of the ex-top players in Jamaica, Steve Smith, and his son currently is #1 player in Jamaica. I'm again trying to do a pro event same time as the tennis and the pickleball.
As for the standard bearer tennis, that should again be the main attraction, as some of the top local players will be in action, while there is still a plan to bring in players from overseas.
I reached out to Mr. Randy Phillips. He won this tournament like several times. I did not reach out to Blaise Bicknell because I checked their pro level, and I've been following him around the world. And he's playing at a level right now. He's playing at international level. So, and it's very difficult for the college season because the timing is not great for my event. And same time in Florida is a pro event. So, unfortunately, we're going to try to focus locally on the local players. And again, I'm willing to make this event become bigger, so it's a baby stage right now.
The prize money is set to be over $1 million. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.